Hello again, John here. Picked this up the other day and I've been waiting for one of these for ages and ages because every time I've tried to get one I've always been outbid. Well, I finally got one and it is a Commodore Plus 4. And managed to get this from a friend of Mark Commodore Sales called Ginger Colin on eBay, and went round to his place to pick it up, and there it was, a Commodore Plus 4 in really good condition. It's got the sockets and everything. He had it running when I was there playing a game, so we will do the same. I will do the same thing. I will start it up and show you it working. But yeah, I've been waiting for one of these, so now I've completed my Commodore collection. And so it comes with a tape drive, and it's unique to the Plus 4 and the Commodore 16, and he reckons that these tape drives are far better than the earlier ones. It comes with pristine manuals. Look at this. Manuals in almost brand new condition. And the thing that sold it for me was the fact that it's got one of these. There we go. A Commodore 1551 disk drive. And we need to fire this up and see how it works, but it's a beautiful looking thing. It's powered by the cartridge port, by it looks on it. So we plug it into the cartridge port of the Plus 4. It's very heavy, and we'll give this a go when we plug it all in. We seem to have a disk drive, and we do have a disc. So it's the demo disc, so we'll try and see if we can get it playing off the disk drive. Got a power supply, black one, and we have, what's this? Oh, looks like it's a RF switcher. So video, games, antenna for the before the old days. Got a joystick for the Plus 4 with its own special connector. That looks like it's the power supply for disk drive, can't be. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is. So that cartridge must be for the data lines. So that must be instead of the serial port on the other ones. It'll be interesting to see how quick it is, because the cartridge port is parallel. We have a game called Death Race 16, so we can try that out. And we have, I bet, oh, we've got some more games in here. Fire Ant, Space Sweep and Invaders, Harbour Attack, Crazy Golf, Mayhem, Exorcist, Icicle Works, Number Builder, Number Chaser, and Treasure Island. And what's left in there is just an RF cable. So we've got some games to try out on the tape. So when we spark her up, we'll try the games out, just putting the games back. Put them back in there. So, my Commodore collection is complete, so I'm going to do a video later on with all the machines that I've got, all the Commodore machines that I've got, just to show the extent of my collection. And that's it. I'm not buying any more Commodores. The only Commodores that I haven't got now is a Commodore PET, and I'm not buying any of those. So let's get her plugged in and fired up. I'll see you in a minute. Hi, John again. There you go. Right, I've set up the Plus 4. Going to play this game. Don't know how to play it, so we'll see. But I've got the Plus 4 joystick set up and the tape deck. And underneath, I don't know if you can see it, there is the disk drive. But I've tried the disk drive and I think it needs to be aligned because it's not reading the discs. So we'll ignore the disk drive at the moment, but you can see where it goes. The data line goes into the cartridge port here. So we'll switch her on, which I think is here. There we go. And we'll point this at the telly. And we will load in this first game. But what's this F1? Right. Oh, it looks like a word processor. I'll have to see what all that does. Anyway, we'll restart it. So let's load a game, and what I'll do is I will fast forward these bits so you're not bored watching it load. So there we go, it's found Space Sweep. So we'll see if it loads up. Talk to you in a minute. Here we go. Right then, let's see if I can play this game. So joystick. It slows down when it moves. Whoa! What am I supposed to do? Oh! Like a bull in a china shop. Oh! Oh! It's amazing how hard these games were back in... Oh! Oh well. Well, there you go. One Commodore Plus 4. So what I will do is, this has some business software, and what I'll try and do is I'll read up about it. Or stop you. I'll try and read up about it, and we'll make some videos of this this 3-in-1 system, just so that because I've not seen anything about these. See, that's the spreadsheet. So yeah, and we read up about all that stuff. So with that, so I've finally completed my Commodore collection with the Commodore Plus 4, and there'll be more videos about this just to understand what it is, because this is the first time I've got one of these, so I'm a noob. Right, I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye.